Annette here from Ask Me Decor. Welcome back and thanks for joining me. So in today's video, I decided to make something for my front door for spring. And I'm going to use this old umbrella. If you watched my video from last year, I did this umbrella with some white flowers and the green and white plaid ribbon that you're seeing on the left-hand side of the screen. This year, I'm going to add yellow to it. I thought it needed a little more spring color. So I used these forsythia stems, and all I'm going to do is take them and tuck them in the pockets of the umbrella. Last year, I painted this umbrella. I spray painted it with white spray paint, and I kept the handle of it black and the little points of the umbrella pockets black also. I thought that was a nice accent and I wanted to keep it. I actually bought this umbrella in an antique store. It was $10. It was not like a very good quality umbrella, and I really wanted to make it white so that it would stand out on my front door, which is red. So, you know, if you put something that's too colorful against the red door, it kind of blends right in. I wanted it to be white so that it would stand out and look very much like the season of spring. These stems of yellow forsythia are the first layer. The second layer I'm going to use is some white tulips. I only have 3 bunches of white tulips, and I'm just going to spread them out in the pockets in front of the yellow flowers. It's going to create a layered effect to this arrangement. And the next layer is going to be these flowers with this very tiny tint of yellow on the inside of them. You'll see as I put this together that again I'm going for a layered effect. The yellow flowers are the back layer, the white tulips complete the middle layer, and these tinted yellow white flowers are the front layer. Now I want to take this wispy greenery and put it towards the front, but I want to try to spread it out so that it looks like it's laying over and hanging out of the umbrella. Sometimes you just have to fuss with it a little bit to get all the flowers to lay the way you want them to. I might do that a little bit more once I hang this on the door, just to make sure that it looks symmetrical and it completes the look the way I want it to. Now it's time to add this great looking bow. This is the bow that I had on this umbrella last year. You'll see it in that video if you watch that video. But it looks so good. I love the green and white plaid, and I'm definitely using it again. And here is the last little detail I want to add to my umbrella. These two little green grassy bunnies came from a garland that I have. I cut it shorter because of the way I wanted to use it last year. So these two little leftovers are going to get some wire glued to the back of them. That will give me a piece of stem that I can stick deep down inside the umbrella to make sure my bunnies don't go anywhere. You know, this is on my front door. It's going to take a little bit of abuse as people open and close that front door. So I want to make sure that my bunnies are going to stay where I put them. Don't you just love the yellow, white, and green? I think this front door decoration is screaming spring to me. I love the colors, and I'm so happy I put those little bunnies in. They were the perfect addition.
I just wanna go out on a walk with you.
I decided to add a little dab of glue to the back of each bunny just to make sure they're not going to go anywhere. I don't want to open up my front door and find bunnies laying on the floor or flowers, so I'm trying to make sure I put this together in a way that it's going to stay the way I want it to all through the season. I'm also going to add a few dots of glue to the ribbon so that doesn't fall off of my umbrella.
To see the shape you're in from time to time. I just want to see.
The front door gets this beautiful metal wreath hanger. I can't even tell you where I bought it. I probably have this at least 20-25 years. I love it, and I use it all through the spring and summer, sometimes even the fall. But here we go. Here is my beautiful spring umbrella. It is April, and April showers bring May flowers, so an umbrella filled with flowers is just perfect for this season. Thank you for watching, everyone. Our next video will be a complete spring home tour, and I really hope you join me for that one.
I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out.